Let's talk about what's going on in the markets. I haven't made a video in a few weeks or months even. My account has had some volatile swings. I do very aggressive options trades. I want to show you what's going on in my account. And I have an investment account. I've also talked about my Roth IRA retirement account in this channel. And I want to talk about the comparison of my investing account and my Roth IRA. I've been trading for maybe 8 years. And these are accounts that I built recently for this journey of mine. I want to make it to, substantially, exponentially grow my account to 6, 7 figures. And there's no time limit on this. I'm not saying I'm going to do this in a year. It takes me 5 years, takes me 10 years, takes me 20 years. That's fine. I just want to take small account and just grow it. I want to take these accounts and grow it. And I didn't have a retirement account before that I managed. So I started my Roth IRA last summer, last July. And I've been trading these accounts very differently, obviously. One, I'm being very conservative, very focused, and just taking shots when I really feel that I could afford to take the shots. Account right now is at 29,246, and I've had some volatile swings. I'm probably been around this range now for like the past like 3 months, but I've had some crazy swings. Uh, Past week I'm down about 2,000. Past month I'm up around 2,500. But here's something interesting. In the past few weeks, I ran this account to around $48,000. I almost hit $50,000 on this account. When I started this series, this account was around 22,000. So pretty remarkable. I mean, I should have just sold and just held for the rest of the year and called it a win for the rest of the year. But I see a lot of bullish momentum. The Fed just continued to cut rates today, and it's looking very bullish for the future of the market. 3 months track here, I'm down 5,000. So 3 months ago, I was actually at 35,000. But year to date, I'm up 27%. That's 6,341. The market is currently up around 16%. So I believe something like that. Let me double check. Yes, year to date, the SPY is up 16.75%. So I'm outperforming the SPY as of now around 10%. And there was some earnings today, and I'm going to tell you right now, tomorrow my account is going to go up by a few thousand. So I am doing pretty well here on this account. So that's kind of the update, my road to 1 million on my aggressive investing account. On this account, I trade spreads, I sell options, I buy options, I buy spreads, I sell spreads, trade the index, I trade volatile stocks. I do it all. I try to do memes, I try to do high flyers, momentum. So I try to hedge my position. But as you can tell, I'm still managing. I'm having some crazy swings here. I'm still managing to uphold my account to a nice range. Now, very crazy. Now, let's go to my Roth IRA retirement account. This is where it's going to get very interesting. On my Roth IRA, I'm at 29,119. I basically am at even with my investing account, and this is why I'm bringing this up. My Roth IRA, I made a video about this account maybe 2 months ago. This account, uh, it's at 29,119, and I'm strictly trading it with options. I'm a sniper. I am hunting, and I am being patient. Now, if we take a look at this account in the past week, I'm only up $40. But I ran this account up to, let me see if it shows it here. Maybe it was a little bit more than a week. Yes, it was a little bit more than a week. In the past month, I'm up 17,000 on a small account, 157%. And at one point, I had it at almost 40,000 here, $38,000 on this small account. If we look at year to date, I'm up 234%. And if we look at my on this account, that's basically what it is. Uh, I opened it last summer with around $8,800, and I was doing, being cautious with stocks and stuff like that, not really going anywhere. I wasn't fully invested either, just being very cautious. And I started doing some options trading here. And obviously, because this is my retirement account, I'm being very careful on the stocks and options that I enter because I don't have many chances here. So I'm being triple extra careful here. And here we are. This is what's happening to this account. It's at 29,000. I've invested more on my investing account and I traded regularly way more than my retirement account, and my retirement account is outperforming without a hitch. If you also look at my retirement account, I have $14,000 worth of buying power. That's all cash here, and my account is at 29,000. Compared to my investing account, I only have $1,300 of buying, and this is where I'm at. So the purpose of this video is obviously to journal my journey. I haven't made an update, and I wanted to make this comparison. On this account, I have at least 20 positions. On my Roth IRA, I have maybe three. So what is showing here is being patient, and just because you have the buying power not being fully invested doesn't mean you cannot make substantial returns. It's better to be patient and just expose your account to the things that need to be exposed instead of being active. I know a lot of traders like myself. You have to make a trade every day. You have to make a move. You have to better your portfolio. You have to balance it. You have to hedge it. And all these micro changes, you start locking in micro losses. And then you start justifying, oh, well, I'm going to take the small loss here so I can hedge this position. And like that for the future, I don't get shaken off. I'm okay. And then you start getting micro losses. Now, on my retirement account, it's yes, I had a very volatile swing. I doubted myself. This is why it went from 38,000 to now 28,000. I was correct on a lot of the positions, and this happened to my main account. I doubted myself in a lot of things that I was doing, and obviously options are extremely volatile. That I started switching my positions and my mindset, and that was a huge mistake. That was a huge mistake, and now I know what I need to do. So this was a very interesting comparison. I wanted to make this video. I want to make more videos, obviously, and keep you guys updated and give you guys more insight of what's working. I'm also trying to work on maybe making a group, trading group here, for people that want to build a retirement account. A little aggressive, like myself. I'm a little late on building. I'm a little bit older. I'm a little late trying to build a retirement account, but as we can see, it's still doable here. My account all time is up, 20,000. And if I had traded this account the way that I traded the last, like, let's see here, it's going to show the date here since, I guess, summer, June, July. If I started, this account would have been somewhere else. It would have been, I don't know where this account would have been at, but I'm still very optimistic for the future. There's a lot of things happening in the markets. Worldly, we live in a crazy world, but the macro and the interest rates and the Fed and the markets right now are being extremely bullish. So going into the end of the year and starting of next year, I'm very bullish, and that's how I'm positioned. I do expect some pullbacks and some hiccups here in between, here and there. That's normal. So right now, I do feel a little bit overly optimistic on my investment account. I do want to taper off my buying power. I am very exposed here. So I'm going to start winging off next week, if not a little bit tomorrow, depending how things go. On my Roth IRA, on my retirement account, there's not much managing because I have a lot of buying power. I have basically half buying power, and my positions are looking very well. One of my positions are up overnight due to earnings, and positive earnings. It's Google. I have Google both on this account and on my investment account. So Google had smashing earnings. It's almost at $300 now a share, and I've been trading the options on that as well. So we're gonna see some changes tomorrow on these accounts. So that is the latest update. If you guys enjoy this content, make sure to follow me.